Hi everybody, it's Lowell. Today we are looking at the Mini Cooper 3-in-1 lens kit. This was sent to us from Mini Cooper of America, and it came in this very nice white box. See the road through a new lens. It came with a mini booklet, it's a super cool mini kit that came with an assortment of lenses that you could take pictures of your friends or your favorite Mini Cooper. It's a very nice kit, and we'd like to thank Mini USA for sending us this kit in the mail. Like I said, it came in a very nice white box, and we'd like to thank them so much for sending it to us. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you see another Mini Cooper out there, don't forget to wave. Bye everybody.